from Portmore she come from. She drive all the way from Harbour Tree to come to Kurry Hive. To come eat the curry pork. Yeah, she loves the curry pork.
Yvette, that's true?
Yes, man. The food is fantastic, delicious. The service is very friendly, warm. Right here in Spanish Town, out by Willoughby, Kurry Hive. Kurry Hive will say everything curry.
Over there, Mongo. If I eat over there, say it. Kurry Hive. Oh, what around? Okay. Alright, so we're always driving past and seeing this place, Kurry Hive. I'm gonna check it out and see what's happening here. So today is Friday, and on a Friday we normally grab food on the road instead of me going home and cook. So my YouTube family, thank you so much. Thank you for liking, for sharing, for subscribing. Remember to click that notification bell so that you will be updated when I release new videos. Remember to drop me a comment on my videos. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what you want to see me do next. So today we're at Kurry Hive. We're gonna try the food for the first time. So follow me. Let's go in and see what's happening.
Here is the matriarch of the business, Kurry Hive.
So this is the lady.
Yeah.
So today we are here with Miss Sherian. She's the owner of Kurry Hive, and I've been hearing a lot of things about this place. I tried to stop by one evening and it was closed because I heard that the food sell off, so something must be going on good at Kurry Hive. So Sherian, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm great.
Thank you for coming by.
So Sherian, tell me something about Kurry Hive. What is so special about Kurry Hive?
The Kurry Hive is a new and fresh restaurant on Old Harbour Road that we primarily offer all things curry. So anything that you can think about that can be curried, it's right here at Kurry Hive. Of course, we do know that there are customers who they're not too particular about curry, so we do have other offerings. Okay. Like today, one of our specials, what we call the X Factor. The X Factor is anything that is not curried.
Oh.
So the X Factor for today is smoked barbecue fried chicken, and that's a hot seller.
Wow.
On our curry cuisine, that's outside of the mutton, which we have every day. So every day we have curried mutton and we have curried fried chicken.
Curried what?
Curried fried chicken. Yes, you heard me.
You heard what she said? Curried fried chicken.
Yes, curried fried chicken, and that is a hot item on the menu. Everybody loves Kurry Hive's curry fried chicken. So if you're out there, wherever you are, you need to come out and try our curried fried chicken. We also have curried jerk pork, which is another hot item.
What you just said? Curried jerk pork
sauce.
Oh my gosh.
You heard right. And we do serve it with roti, because you know you can't have your curry and you not have your roti.
True.
So yes, so there's the curry, the roti. We do the regular rice and peas, plain rice. You can come and get your different sides like pasta, some days. We also do a very good mashed potato.
Okay.
So yes, anytime that's on the menu, you need to come out and try it. So it's Kurry Hive, located on the main on Old Harbour Road.
Yes.
If you're familiar with the Seventh-day Adventist Church, that's on Old Harbour Road. It is right next door to it pretty much. And the big Church of God of Prophecy Church, that's on Old Harbour Road. So you can use those two buildings as a marker to find it. So as I said, it's Kurry Hive, everything curry, sweet like honey. You won't be disappointed when you come.
Sherian, how long have you been in
We
business?
started in November, the last week in November. So we're a little bit over, 6 weeks old, 8 weeks old now.
Yeah.
Yes, and as I said, we've been getting good raves and reviews about the service. So come on out, Kurry Hive is the place to be.
So thank you so much, Sherian, for chatting with me. Let's go inside and see what's happening. So I'm heading inside now. Wow, and this is the curried fried chicken that she was talking about. The curried jerk pork that she was talking about. You want curry cow foot? So they have curry mutton, they have curried fried chicken, curried jerk pork. I never heard about curried jerk pork yet, but I guess I'll be trying it today. I'll see what it tastes like. Alright. So I was able to sample the curry fried chicken and also the pork, and let me tell you, it was delicious. You need to come down to Kurry Hive and try this. So right now I'm here. I'm just going to talk to a few of the customers that are in here and see what they have to say about Kurry Hive.
From Portmore she come from. She drive all the way from Harbour to come to Kurry Hive. To come eat the curry pork. Yeah, she loves the curry pork.
So Yvette, that's true?
Yes, ma'am. The food is fantastic, delicious. The service is very friendly, warm. Right here in Spanish Town, all by Willoughby, Kurry Hive. Kurry Hive will say everything curry. The fried chicken, the stew pork.
Curry
They have rice and peas, they have roti, they have white rice, everything. Delicious, delicious.
Yes, sir, you don't work here.
No, I don't work here. As you can see, I am from the financial institution, and I'm telling you, I'm waiting on the food because it is really good, really good.
All right, thank you so
Kurry
much.
Hive, Willoughby. Here you come.
One second, sir. So you're a regular customer?
Yeah, second time here.
Second time, so how was the first time?
Not for the man.
You love it?
I got this young people from down from, you know that man.
So what is in the, what you just order?
Eh?
What you just order?
Curry fried chicken.
Oh, okay, all right, no problem. Enjoy.
Yes, I will.
All right, sir. Next time you get your curry cow foods. All right.
Curry.
You hear? You want curry cow head too.
Curry cow skin.
You love curry, man. So if you're ever in Spanish Town, stop by on Old Harbour Road. Check out Kurry Hive. See what they have. Try something new. I promise you, you will love it. I did. Hi, dog. So this is the moment of truth. I just reached home and I opened my food, and the aroma, the smell, the food just smells so delicious. We got some chicken and we got some pork. I think I got 2 pork and a chicken. This food is delicious. When I tell no lie, it really tastes good. The pork is so soft and tender. It's well seasoned down to the bone. You can taste the curry sauce that's on it. Trust me, the combination, it's well put together. The spices, trust me, and the pepper, everything is on point. I highly recommend this place. Somewhere to just grab and go if you want to. Kurry Hive is the place. With roti, it's delicious. I'm just taking my time and enjoying.